Assalamualaikum. I am Hanani Athirah binti Holili, Junior Health Ambassador of PERAK from SMK Tun Abdul Razak, and today I will present to you the project that I have been working on entitled Malaysia Sustainability Award 2021. The product that I create is something to be special and I name it Nature Therapy Recycled Paper. What is the meaning by 3G? It is a program that held by the government as an initiative to increase the school safety, health and beauty. In terms of beauty, this project can be used as decoration and can be placed in the classes as aromatherapy. For health, this aromatherapy can reduce stress among students during lessons. And for safety, the aromatherapy uses a natural ingredient such as pandan, turmeric and kaffir lime leaf and safe as no chemical preservative. How this problem can be solved? We can solve this problem by recycling. Recycle element. The first one is reduce. Reduce is generating less waste in everyday life. 2. Reuse. Repairing and reconditioning devices or part for reuse. And recycle. Recycle is turning material into a new substance or product. How does it happen? The first reason is the increasing amount of waste. 2. Irresponsible behavior and irregular garbage disposal. Why recycle process is important to us? First, we can gain income and save up natural resources. Other than that, we can create a clean surrounding and reduction of environment pollution. Duration of the project. I start my project on 27 August 2021. I planned a turmeric plant, and on 5 October 2021, I collect reused paper and start to do recycled paper. And 25 November 2021, Nature Therapy Recycled Paper are done. SDGs. SDGs that I apply on my project are climate actions, good health and well-being, and life on land. For community and school, I decided to sell this product for 3 ringgit. The overall fund that collect, I will be donating school welfare to help those who in need, especially to the students who struggling in daily expense. All the teachers put the flower decoration in class and sometimes give extra money to help the charity. Planting project. For the planting project, I decided to plant turmeric as the main ingredient to my 3R project. I also plant pandan and kaffir lime tree as the side ingredient. Do you know how to plant turmeric? Let me teach you how. Firstly, I start to grow the baby turmeric by put it into a water container. When it starts to grow, a stem or some leaf, I transfer it to a smaller pot that contains soil and water it twice a day. I repeat the process for a couple months until it grew. Natural aromatherapy from recycled paper. Procedure. First, I collect used paper to be recycled. And I cut the paper into small pieces and put it into a large container. After we cut the paper, we add the water to the shattered paper and soak it for 2 hours. Blend the shattered paper until it becomes fine and smooth. Put the blended papers, or we call as pulp, into a large container. I take the natural ingredient for the aromatherapy recycled paper. I take pandan leaf. Lime leaf. Last but not least, turmeric. After we took the natural ingredient, we must wash the natural ingredient with water. Cut the natural ingredient into small pieces. After we cut the natural ingredient into small pieces, it is time to blend it until it becomes fine and smooth. Mix and stir the blended natural ingredient with the prepared pulp. After that, we transfer the pulp into a large container filled with water. The recycled paper smells pandan, and it smells so good. After we transfer the pulp, we must slide the paper mold into the container and move it around until it is evenly covered with pulp. We do the same step. We transfer the pulp into a large container filled with water. For this time, it's the turmeric scented recycled paper. Put the pulp on a clean cloth, press with sponge to absorb the excess water and let it dry. paper dry, we can peel off the dry recycled paper from the cloth. We can smell the paper, it smells so good, especially the pandan one. After we peel off the recycled paper, it is time to create beautiful flower decoration from the recycled paper. This is the time to do the beautiful flower decoration. So you will need the recycled paper, glue, wooden stick, scissors, ruler, pencil and glass container. So the first step, we must fold the recycled paper into two. Make a line to make sure you don't overcut the paper. After you cut the paper, take the glue and stick the wooden stick. Roll the paper and stick with a tape. Tidy up the flower so that your flower looks more beautiful. After you tidy up, you can place into a glass container. My hope is that by recycling paper, we can see more trees and greens as they are crucial for carbon dioxide absorptions. Other than that, recycling paper helps to reduce greenhouse gas emissions that can contribute to climate change. It takes 70% less energy and water to recycle paper than to create new paper from trees. Manufacturing with recovered paper cuts down on pollution that contribute to smog. Best of all, according to Environmental Protective Agency, 1 ton of recycled paper can save 17 trees and more than 3.3 cubic yards of landfill space. As a responsible citizens, we need to keep practicing 3R, reduce, reuse, recycle, to protect life and health and ensure respect for the human being.